Weaving community through compassion. In the bustling city of Willowbrook, Mark, a kind-hearted young man, found himself juggling a demanding job and his own personal struggles. One day, while walking home from work, he noticed an elderly man, Mr. Thompson, struggling to carry his groceries. Without a second thought, Mark rushed to help him, and they struck up a conversation. Over the next few weeks, Mark and Mr. Thompson developed a heartwarming friendship. They would meet at the park every weekend, where Mark would listen to Mr. Thompson's stories of the past and offer his own insights about life. As time passed, Mark's dedication to being there for Mr. Thompson became evident to the community, and others started to take notice. One afternoon, Mark learned that a local community center was in dire need of volunteers to support their programs for underprivileged children. Recognizing the opportunity to make a difference, Mark stepped up without hesitation. He spent his evenings and weekends helping the children with their homework, organizing art activities, and coaching sports. His infectious enthusiasm and genuine care inspired the kids to believe in themselves and their dreams. As word spread about Mark's selfless actions, more people in the community were inspired to join his cause. The community center flourished, becoming a place of hope and growth for everyone involved. Mark's acts of kindness had a ripple effect, igniting a chain reaction of people helping one another. One day, as Mark walked through the community center, he saw Mr. Thompson talking animatedly with a group of children. It turned out that Mr. Thompson had joined as a storyteller, sharing his life experiences with the kids. Mark's heart swelled with pride, knowing that he had played a role in connecting people from different generations. Through his unwavering commitment to being there for others, Mark had not only transformed the lives of those around him but had also created a close-knit community bonded by compassion and support. His story became a beacon of inspiration, reminding everyone that even the smallest acts of kindness can have the power to change lives and bring people together. As we wrap up this story, we want to say thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed it and want more, hit that subscribe button. We're excited to bring you more fantastic stories soon.